Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 19 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really great short week here at SMS this week, as you can see from the pictures that are in the connection. And we do have a busy week this week upcoming. On Monday, we have an admin team meeting at 8. We also have some practice for those top 12 Amazing Shake students after school from 2:45 to 3:45 on Monday and Wednesday with Mrs. Thayer. So students, if you are in the top 12 and you need to stay after, you would like to stay after to work on what is coming, upcoming on Thursday, then please make sure you let Mrs. Thayer know. Also on Monday, the new 9 weeks begin, so schedules will change on this day. Parents, you can expect grade reports to go home on Tuesday. And students, we also will have the FCHS Student Council coming to meet with you on Tuesday during 7th period in our auditorium. Wednesday and Thursday, we will also have PLCs, and on Thursday is our round 3 of the Amazing Shake Hot Seat Circle. The top 12 8th graders will meet in the library from 8:30 to 9:30 on Thursday morning, and we will be narrowing the field down significantly on that day. So good luck to those students. Friday is Bring It Friday, and we do have our first KSA boot camp article that is going to be in English. So students, you can expect that. And then over the weekend, we do want to wish a happy birthday to Mrs. Ashley Williamson. So for our student spotlight this week, we are proud to shout out and congratulate our SMS cheerleaders. These girls have been amazing all season. I am so proud of the way that they conduct themselves while they are cheering. They bring a great presence to our ball games, and I have watched them improve so much over the course of this year. Earlier in the season, they received a first place bid to state, and earlier in December, the girls competed at state competition where they placed 10th in a very competitive group. So I'm really proud of them. We went and watched them, myself and several of the teachers from SMS when they competed at state, and they did an amazing job. So congratulations, ladies. I am so proud of your many accomplishments, and way to bring it. Do want to take a moment and shout out to our Achieve 3000 leaderboard winners for this week. On Monday, Kimber Emmons. Tuesday, Evan Conley. Wednesday, Keegan McDaniel. Thursday, Amelia Maynard. Friday, Siler Curran. Our weekly top scorer was Evan Conley. And our 2 students with the most activities at 75% or above on the first try. For 7th grade was a tie between Amelia Maynard and Norma Binder with 7. And in 8th grade was Desiree Mathis with 8. For our Alex leaderboard for this week, we do have several students who are either moving to the next content. As you can see, once they reach that 85% threshold, a lot of them test to see if they're ready to test out of their current content, and they'll move up to the next level. So congratulations to those students who are very close. We do want to go ahead and shout them out. Congratulations to Red Jaguars, Lana Hunt, Nick Lane, Brady Kramer, Silver Snakes, Tyson Wells, Hunter Ham, Tippy Pollock, Green Monkeys, Riker Russell, Paxton Jones, Scott Gray, Rollin Smalley, and our Blue Barracudas, Kaylee Rogers, Carson Parker, and Bobby Applegate. And that is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. We'll see everybody back here tomorrow. Let's have a great week, Cougars.